Okay, Rodrigo is tracking the number of visitors at 2 parks. He created these functions to model the total number of people that visit each park, where X is the number of hours after sunrise. So basically, you can plug in how many hours after the sun rises, and that'll calculate approximately how many people are at each park. The first equation, A of X, represents the total number of people at the West Park, and B of X represents the total number of people at the East Park. And it says which function models the total number of visitors at both parks after sunrise. So what they really want to know is what's A of X plus B of X. Well, this is going to be kind of easy. I'm just going to write out A of X, right, which is negative 0.68 x cubed plus 7.05 x squared plus 3.25 x. And then I'm just going to add B of X, which is negative 2.08 x squared plus 22x plus 5. So I got to do like terms. So I'm looking for terms that have x to the third power. That's the only one. Well, that was pretty easy. So that's the first term, x to the third power. Next, I'm going to look for terms that have x to the second power. There's one. Nope. There's this one. Okay. Second power. That's it. So I'm going to use a calculator on this one because it's a decimal thingy. And so let me pull my little calculator up here. It's a big calculator. All right. So we're going to clear this out. And I've got 7.05 minus 2.08. Let me double check on my numbers. I think that's right. 497. That's what it looks like to me. So that's a positive 4.97 x squared. Okay, next, x to the first power. X to the first power. I don't need a stinking calculator for that. 22 plus 3.25 is 25.25 x. And then lastly, all by its lonesome, is the constant 5. So I think that's it. Let me double check here. Negative 0.68 x to the third, positive 4.97 x squared plus 25.25 x plus 5. Yep, that's the right answer. I've been making circles around these things. So let's, there's my answer. Bring that down a little bit. Ta-da. Okay.